Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Instagram built-in video trimming feature. So if you want to trim your videos in the Instagram, so simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application and you have to click on the plus icon in the middle of the main menu bar. Once you will tap on it, now select any video you want to trim, and after that you have to click on the arrow on the right top. Once you will tap on it, you will see short video, long video. Select any and click on the continue. Once it will done, now you will see a trim button in the bottom middle. So select the part of the video you want to trim in this way. So in this way you can trim any video on the Instagram, and after that click on the arrow on the right top, and after that you can simply upload this video as you can upload other videos. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.